Hi, good morning, student. In today's video, I'm going to solve May-June 2024 past paper for website authoring. Okay, let us quickly start the task. In the task 3, it is started from the task 3. Okay, file management. Create a new folder called J32. All right, so we will go to our support file folder here. Right click, new folder, and J32. Done. So now what they are asking here, locate only those files and store them in your J32 folders. Okay, so now let me find out the files which is related to this task and then we are moving it here. All right, so now J32 is ready. Next, display the content of your J32 folder, showing the folder name, all files, extension. Yes, it is done. Image dimension, frame height, and frame width. This is something which is new, so we will go on right click, more. So now I will put first, let me select the dimensions and then frame height and frame width and then press OK. So in this way, student, you can do this frame height and frame width and dimension part, okay, and then take the screenshot and save in your folder evidence file. Done. So now let's jump into the main topic here. Okay, in task 4 web page, you will create a web page to help the raise awareness of giraffe conservation. Okay, create a new web page called J32 web.htm. All right. So to do this task, I'm using web Microsoft Expression. Okay. All right. So new, right click, save. Okay. Where I have to save on desktop. Yes, J32. And the name of the file is J32 web.html. Let me cross check one more time. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. This is the right folder we are saving. Save. Okay. Done. Now J32 web, yes, I got it. Now let us start with uh, the next question. This web page must be created using a single table and work in all browser. The table must fit in a the table must fit 75%, okay, and then of the browser window and have a structure shown. Okay, shown in this diagram. So how many rows we have? One, two, three, four, five rows. All right. So we will go click on table, insert table. Okay, 5 rows and 2 column, and this should be 75%. And then press OK. Done. Now next, table border must be appear in your final web page. Okay, student here, click on code and go next to width and just type border. Okay, border equals to 1 pixel. Okay, now click on design. So now in this way you can able to see the table. Now let me arrange the tables. First row, select all, modify, merge the cell. Last row is also merged. Done. And then we have this all three, right click, modify and merge. All right. So let us start numbering it, naming it A, B, C, D, E, and F. Done. Okay. Each table must be identified with letter, but it not be display at enter final. Don't worry, we will do that. Okay. Now set the title of the web page is giraffe conservation. Okay. To do this, right click, page property, and then title. Here in the title, giraffe conservation. Okay. Got it. Next. Place in cell A image banner. Image banner. All right. In cell A, I remove A here and then I go to the option insert picture from file and here is our folder banner insert and then Is there any alternate text they asked us to put? No. So press OK. Yep, done. Next. So let us start how to put a video. Okay, as I told you, it is not so difficult in B. Yeah. So now it should have controls and autoplay. The video name is j32feed.mp4. Okay, shows the controls and play automatically. All right. So fine, we will do this. Okay, let's go to our software here. So now I will go here on code. Where is it? B. B is here. And now I will put enter. Then we will go here and open the parenthesis video, video, video. Yep. Okay. And video controls. Okay. This should be fit in a width of the cell. Means width. Okay. First, I'm going to type the width. WID. Width is equals to. Okay. 100%. Okay. Next. Next, they ask us to put controls. Okay. Controls. Okay. So this controls and then it should be autoplay play, right? Isn't it? It should play autoplay, right? Controls also, like by default, it will take controls also control or controls. If you do this is also fine. If you don't do that, this also very much fine. No problem. Okay, so now we're done with this. Now we put the first part. Now let us put the source. Now, source is source. We have a source. What is the source? Source src equals to source. Now pick the URL they are asking. So like this way also you can do. Okay. Or else simply copy and paste the path. Where is it? It is here. Okay. This is the source and right click, copy the path and here I'm going to paste it. Copy the path. Control V. Okay. So now put the video source. Now, what type of file this is? File is equals to video file, and then the format is MP4. MP4 is the format. All right, done. So now close the parenthesis. Now we're done with the video part here. Okay, so source is done. But what they gave us in the question paper, they told us if this video when the web page open does not like this play, then we have to create an error message called the browser does not support this video type. So now this is my the error message, the browser does not support the video type. So this is what we done. So finally we done with this. Okay, to make sure whether it is working or not, we will go file. Okay, preview, internet. Okay, Internet Explorer, and press OK. Yes, see. Now, this is the video which is working very much fine. All right, it means the code which we did, okay, it is working. All right, let me close the window. Yeah. Now, let's go to the next question. In cell C image, the image 32 watt JPG, they are asking us to import. All right. So we'll go C and I remove this C. Now here, uh, insert picture file, and this is what? Insert. Yep, there is no alternate name here. So now next is in D. Okay, in D, I'm going to insert contact.jpg. All right, in D, insert picture from file, contact us. Okay, press next. Now, in cell E, web page edited by, in cell E, web page edited by, okay, your name, center number, and candidate number. ABC underscore IN 123, and the candidate number is 1234. Next is apply style H3. Okay, so we'll select this, select the values, and then apply H3. Done. So to this cell only H3. Okay. Now next, place in cell F the text called J32 text. All right. So I will go to my support file folder. Where is this file? Text file. Yeah, here J32 text. Now I open the J32 text. Now Control C. I copy only the text. Okay. And we are going to put in F. Okay. Right click and paste. Yeah. So we got this. Okay. Okay. One second. Control Z. You need to select the complete text and paste. Yeah. Done. Okay. So after this, what they are asking us to do? This apply the paragraph style to this text. All right, so I select the complete text. So here and click on paragraph. Done. Next, attach the style sheet J32 web.css file. So we'll go here, attach the style sheet, then browse, okay, and J32 web.css, and then press OK. Yep, finally it's good. Okay, so next, let me check after applying in the browser how it will look like. Yes, perfectly fine. Yes, okay, all right. So now make the image J32 what.jpg. Okay, fine. This what we have to do. Link to open in a new page called J32 what, which is already given. Okay, so what to do? I select, right click, okay, hyperlink and link to where? Okay, this is my folder, J32 what, and then press OK. Done. Next, make the image J32 contact a link. Okay, so sorry. So new window called blank. So target frame they are asking. Again, we will go back to the hyperlink. This is already done. Now the target frame to a new window, which is called as a blank, done, and then press OK. Yeah, next. So to make sure whether it came or not, I will go back to the coding part and see here now. See, yeah, successfully we apply the target frame as well as we also link to the HTML. Right, then. Now next, make the image contact link to an email editor, prepare an email. Okay, so now this I have to create what? So for this we have to create, one second. Okay. To this we have to create an email link. Okay. So J32 contacts. I will select J32 contacts, hyperlink and email and control V. Yes, we're done with this. Next, yes, the subject line also they give us Jira. So subject line, then press OK. Let me go to code and show you. Yes, within mail is also fine and the subject line is also done. All right, next. Save your web page, take a copy of your HTML source and place in your evidence file. So students, I would like to tell you, go to code and simply copy all the text and all the code and paste in your file. Okay, next. Yeah, so that's all page can be seen and all. So let us see it is visible or not. File. one final time. We are previewing it. Yes, finally. It's good, right? Isn't it? Yeah. So now here we can see our task is done. Thank you very much for watching, student. I hope you are enjoying my videos. Please like to the videos and subscribe to my channel. In the next video, I'm going to post some more past papers. So I hope you are enjoying. Thank you very much.